down day to day in our trading, down 6,300 in the 250K portfolio, down 1150 in the 50K portfolio, right at a $21,000 drawdown on hypothetical, 22,000 real time, down on the week and down on the month. Tough month. We've seen this before. We've seen an entire month where we go through this, and then towards the end of the month we have a big run. And so we're trading water here in a challenging market environment, really challenging price action I want to show you today. Just one of the more extreme, difficult days. And up on the quarter, up on the year, positive. We roll into the positive part of the week as well, and the positive time of the month. And so that is what we are looking at as we have Thursday and Friday this week, and also the end of the month trading can also be favorable as well. And so it's just been a market that's been, feels like it's trading against us, feels like it's attacking all of our positions as soon as we take them, and we go through those cycles. Here is what I'm looking at in the after hours. NVIDIA earnings. I actually priced some 350 calls, thought no way it'll jump that much, $50 almost on NVIDIA. There's so much liquidity in this market, and it's just tricking us downward and then hemming and hawing and then popping in the after hours, which makes it difficult to day trade to capture these moves because we have a limited duration on some of these moves. So you go through cycles where all the moves happen in the after hours and they don't happen as much during the day. Yesterday we had that prop up price action, and I always feel like our trades are getting ripped off per se. Our short trades were here and wouldn't follow through, and then overnight it follows through. This is a 24-hour chart. Today we had some long trades at the open, the day session open, and then we reversed to short trades, and then up here it ran up here like it was going to break out, and then we reversed to long, and then it pulled back here. We got out at the end of the day, and then the after hours this pops on NVIDIA earnings. And so we had FOMC minutes today. It was a non-event. The market was sideways, and we'll go over the 1 minute charts where you can see that, but just really challenging price action. So today is kind of opposite of yesterday. The shorts wouldn't follow through. Today the longs wouldn't follow through during the day session, and then it does in the after hours. And so here is what a day session chart looks like on the NASDAQ. You can see, tried to capture those long trades early, then kind of reversed to the short side, and then it reversed. And had we had the market gone to, with our position, had the market gone to here by the end of the day, we would have been back to break even, but it pulled down here instead. And then in the after hours, it's up here at 13,780. And so it's difficult to know when the market moves like this. Is this going to be a legitimate breakout? Is it going to pull back? And here is what happened during the FOMC minutes today. Nothing. Very narrow range. A little bit of a spike, but so small. These didn't really trigger or change our trades any. It was this end of the day, reverse our shorts from longs, and then pull the market down into the close, and then rally after hours on NVIDIA earnings. And so, we've had this pullback that we anticipated, and now it's running hot again. And so anticipating higher prices once again. So overall our trades also were 3 for 16 today. So we've had a really low winning percentage, and those go in cycles. And let's look at the trades on the day. Cobra 3 positive plus 575. Tick Pulse got short, stopped out up here on this stop run where it took out the highs. And then we had, let's see, momentum reversal, tried to get long on the reversal, minus 137.50. Tick Fader, minus 625. Tick Count Trend Dynamic Turnaround, minus 825. You can see the market just reaching for all of our stop losses on the longs and the shorts. Dynamic Tick Pullback, exit at the end of the day, minus 250. Opening chop, we started trading this. It was profitable, and then not long after we started trading it, the market stopped chopping at the open, and it's kind of these smooth trends at the open. And so I thought that once the market started gapping down, there would be some chop, as the market is known to fight those sell-offs, but there's not yet. It has not come back yet, so we have to reassess these types of strategies and basically an all-day chop strategy would work on days like today. Let's look at the NASDAQ trades. Cobra 3 stopped out there at that stop run. Ultimately, it would have been stopped out anyway because it would not have hit its profit target, and it would have exited at the end of the day at a loss. So minus 660, minus 625 on Tick Pulse. And you can just see how difficult it is to short this market. Even on 2 down days, it just reverses or gets propped up. EVP1, these are the trades that got long at the end of the day. I'm always look forward to the EVP1 trades because they really have the tendency to really capture momentum. They're not a high probability trade, so there's more losers than winners. So we cut our losses and ride our winners when this does work. But I thought the time of day, the type of momentum in the market that we showed here, and I thought the market was going to front run NVIDIA earnings, but it pulled back, and then we didn't benefit from it. So these were both were minus 335 on the day. This one is long only. This one takes long and short trades. Tick reversal, just no follow through on the short side. Possible to take a long-term day trade short position in this market. Minus 365. Tick count trend, it had 1 winner and 3 losers, minus 1300. Momentum reversal, plus 645. Did capture this move, and zigzag was up on the day, plus 300. So once again, here is the market again in the after hours, and it's just soaring here. We had those trades, we had those long trades in the NASDAQ, net long here, and then when tick reversal got out, we were net long 3 contracts, and so that move would have been extremely beneficial to hold into the close, but since we day trade, we didn't benefit from that. So you can see NVIDIA just soaring. This is crazy, up 19%. I priced those 350 calls, didn't do anything about it. Thought this type of move was crazy. This type of move indicates to me how much liquidity is in the market, and I would anticipate inflation and asset prices to surge once again when we're seeing this. The tech sector is leading this. This is based on AI, but the liquidity is there, and I do anticipate higher prices, higher inflation, and then more discussion on potentially higher interest rates for the Federal Reserve hiking interest rates even further. So that should be an interesting conversation to see how it affects the markets. So once again, these are the trades on the day for Wednesday. We are looking forward to our stronger part of the week, Thursday and Friday. Wednesday is, lately it's been a seasonally difficult day. Last week, Wednesday and Thursday, though, were the highlights of the week. And so we've had weeks where Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday were down like this. And then Thursday and Friday were up. We've had months where we're down, at this point in the month, on the 24th, 25th of the month. The month ends here and our equity curve is down. It was up and then now it's down. And then we make it back at the end of the month. End of week is favorable based on recent patterns. So looking forward to tomorrow's trade. These are the trades again on May the 24th, 2020. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.